I mean, I would expect in terms of Pfizer, you look for a back and fill back down to that prior all-time high in December, which I think was around $44 or so, and that would make a lot of sense.
This Toll Brothers just broke this downtrend that it's been in since its highs in May. Any thoughts on the home builders here, and do they get back to the prior highs?
Can these stocks go higher? Absolutely. I mean, people will talk about valuation. You really can't, in my opinion, when you're talking about home builders, valuation doesn't really matter. But I think in terms of where it's going, well, I think we're going to take out that 68 level. I think, Dan, that we saw, if memory serves me, back in May or so.
The 10-year U.S. Treasury yield. This is a pretty interesting chart here, okay? So above its 200-day moving average, if you draw a line from the September lows, just so you know, guys, September 2020, the low was basically 60 basis points. It's amazing, right? And then you connect that to the July low, this August low that we got down as like a little bit of a double bottom. And now we're breaking out above the downtrend that's been in place since the spring. It looks like it wants to break out. It's interesting that Cisco quietly just broke out. I mean, 60 is a multi-year high. It's trading just below that. It's up nearly 1% today. It's one of the only stocks that is on my radar that is not back above all-time highs made back in the dot-com.
I thought we'd fail at sort of the June of 2019 high, which was, I think, around $58 or so, but we basically are through it now. It looks like Cisco may be off to the races. Well, obviously, all-time high today. I think the stock is trading 133. You're right. I mean, the move has been absolutely parabolic. I think the prior all-time high was like 60, and that was back in 2016 or something. But now here we are, doubling that. What did I say about DKS? Well, look, already traded 13 million shares. Typically trades about 1.5 million shares, number one. So you're going to have a huge volume day. It is absolutely now an expensive stock.